Well, this year we're going to plant a garden. Right?
We've never done it before.
Oh yeah, we've done gardens, but... So this year we're going to plant a garden. And we got just a spot right here behind me. Used to be a rock garden. When we bought the house, it was all just this gravel, rock gravel on top. I'll show you what it looks like because we moved it over to the house. And that was the gravel that was there. A very nice ornamental gravel. Probably very expensive ornamental gravel, so we haven't thrown it away, but we're going to do a garden. So we're starting with the strings. Hang on, I have to do an ad. I have to do an ad for the coffee that I love. It's not Tim Hortons, by the way. Bought this little shovel at Dollarama. It's useless, but good for this, I guess. So if you recognize this, this is a snow shovel. But we're going to use the snow shovel as a gardening appliance because we live in Canada and there's more than one season. Actually, I need it to level the ground. So I just kind of wanted to finish it up. The other day our camera actually quit. So we did get the garden done. And we got lots of stuff planted here. We got potatoes and corn and peas and carrots and lettuce. So I think it's going to be a great year in this garden. Certainly better than having those rocks. So thanks for watching the video and have a great day.